Hey Samsung fans! The budget-friendly Galaxy A05s just got a massive upgrade with One UI 7 and Android 15. Is this the update that makes your affordable phone feel like a flagship? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Let's dive into what's new with the A05s. Big news from Samsung. The Galaxy A05s, a budget phone launched in 2023, is now rocking the slick new One UI 7 update based on Android 15. This isn't just a small patch, it's a major glow-up that brings flagship-level features to one of Samsung's cheapest phones. Wanna know what's in store? Keep watching. The One UI 7 update with build number A057FXXU9DYE5 is a hefty 2.6 GB and includes the May 2025 security patch for better privacy and performance. So what's new? Think updated icons, buttery smooth animations, and a fresh look for Samsung's native apps. Plus, there's a new volume bar placement, a separated notification panel, and a vertical app drawer for easier navigation. Let's break it down. You can now swipe from the top right corner for quick settings and top left for notifications. Super intuitive. The updated design gives the A05s a premium vibe with smoother transitions and a modernized interface. Originally launched with Android 13, this phone is now on par with Samsung's latest devices, proving the budget doesn't mean outdated. How's that for value? Ready to upgrade? Here's how. Head to Settings, tap Software Update, then check for updates. If it's available, hit download and install, and you're good to go. With a 2.6 GB download, make sure you're on Wi-Fi. This update's rolling out fast, so check your Galaxy A05s today to see if it's landed in your region. This update shows Samsung's commitment to keeping even its budget phones fresh and secure. The Galaxy A05s now feels like a whole new device with flagship-style features at a fraction of the price. Whether you're all about smooth animations or love the new app drawer, One UI 7 makes this phone a steal. Are you excited to try it out? And that's the scoop on the Galaxy A05s One UI 7 update. Are you hyped for the new features? Or is your A05s already updated? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.